Boom! Anta jumped. The bushes beside her exploded into brown dust. What was that? Her antenna shot straight up. I can smell chocolate. A tiny ant wearing giant goggles suddenly blasted out of the bushes, covered in melted chocolate. Blueprints flew everywhere. Anta grabbed one. Her eyes went huge. It showed a secret underground chocolate factory beneath the bushes. Who are you? And you built this? Anta gasped. The tiny ant grinned proudly and said, Hi, I'm Chippy. I invent crazy chocolate flavors. Did someone say chocolate? Bibble popped out from another bush. Chippy pressed a hidden mushroom. A giant underground door opened. Warm chocolate-smelling air rushed upwards. Inside were bubbling chocolate pipes, spinning mixers, tiny rapping robots zooming everywhere. Anta stared in amazement. Chippy, you made all this? Chippy nodded proudly. Oh yes, and I invent brand new flavored chocolates here. Like carrot cabbage chocolate, mango mosquito, berry worm chocolate. People gasped. Huh? Come on, let me show you how I make the chocolate. Hey guys, it all starts with this cacao pod. Chippy broke open the cacao pod and the cacao beanstalk jumped out. What? This is chocolate? Kind of, replied Chippy. The beans are dried, roasted, cracked, and then ground into melted liquid chocolate. Warm chocolate swirled into giant bowls. Come on, time to test. Anta took a small bite of the marshmallow fries pizza chocolate. Her eyes grew huge. Oh my God! Yum! It's weird, but amazing. Bibble, in the meanwhile, took a bite of the garlic, banana, spinach, chili blast. And Chippy looked at Bibble. Bibble's face slowly turned green and then red as he dashed through the doors. Anta laughed so hard she fell over. A sheepish-looking Bibble and a laughing Anta waved a bye as they walked out of the tunnel. What a fantastic chocolatey time! Now it's time for do-it-yourself. Take some chocolate spread like Nutella. Mix in one funny snack like crushed potato chips or popcorn or even tiny onion pieces. Stir it all up and take a tiny taste. Now invent a crazy name for your brand new chocolate flavor. Have fun. Bye-bye.